We have a huge amount of XRP tokens to the tune of 62 million XRP transferred from an unknown wallet to Coinbase. The transaction made is worth about $3.9 million, according to current market standing. Nonetheless, trading these XRP tokens on the largest cryptocurrency exchange is yet to be back in operation. Similarly, in a letter addressed to the SEC's chair Gary Gensler, the U.S. Democrat Senator Elizabeth Warren has reprimanded the SEC for its sloppiness, just as she instructed the Commission to provide a clear-cut regulatory framework as soon as possible. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We also have a completely free Discord group where we share daily signals with a community of like-minded traders and investors. You'll find a link for that in the video description. And now you can also support us on Patreon. We have several packages you can choose from according to your particular needs, and we have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. Be sure to check out the links in the video description and pinned comment. Elizabeth Ann Warren, popularly known as the DMAS, who had made critical annotations regarding cryptocurrencies, describes the cryptosphere as speculative in nature. During a subcommittee hearing, the American politician had criticized these markets, remarking that it would not end well. She said that it needs to be determined if Congress needs to act to ensure that the SEC has the proper authority to close existing gaps in regulation that leave investors and consumers vulnerable to dangers in this highly opaque and volatile market. Moving on to the XRP coin, according to a tweet by Whale Alert, the most advanced blockchain tracking and analytics system, there's been a transfer of a large amount of XRP tokens into one of Coinbase's wallets. This transaction was made in one fell swoop on Friday, July 9th by the San Francisco-based exchange platform Coinbase, in the amount of almost 62 million XRP tokens. At the beginning of the year, the US-based cryptocurrency exchange had announced the suspension of XRP trading on its platform following the SEC's initiating a lawsuit against Ripple and its top two executives, alleging that the fintech company had been selling unregistered securities in the form of XRP coins to institutional investors since 2012, while its executives had amassed an excess of $1.3 billion split among themselves and their team. A claim that further got other notable crypto exchanges delisting the XRP coin, subsequently depreciating the coin's value to about 20 cents during that time. The executives who were charged by the SEC alongside the Ripple company are its principal officers, its current CEO Bradley Garlinghouse, and its co-founder and former CEO Christopher Larsen. Following the latest updates from the famous cryptocurrency chart analysis and trader Crypto Wizard, XRP listing notifier website trading the Ripple coin on Coinbase has not yet been resumed, given XRP is yet to be relisted on the exchange. Coinbase has been seen in recent times to be making large transfers of this cryptocurrency both externally and to an in-house wallet, such as the one registered recently, as the exchange only currently permits its customers to continue to accumulate or withdraw their XRP tokens. The aforementioned senator, who's been seen to attract a lot of bad blood from crypto enthusiasts as Bitcoin maximalist and the CEO of Twitter, Jack Dorsey, unfollowed Elizabeth Warren a few hours after the congresswoman trashed Bitcoin during a Senate hearing focused on central bank digital currencies on June 9th. And this brings the senator from Massachusetts on the same page with the former US President Donald Trump, as they both now enjoy their fair share of hate from Bitcoin proponents given their views on cryptocurrencies. And going through the comments thread on that post from Whale Alert, you could see that a lot of these users are of the suggestion that there would be a resumption of XRP trading on these exchanges, following the mandate by the US Congress for the SEC to provide a proper regulatory framework by July 28th. With the claims that before August, XRP trading on Coinbase and other exchanges should have resumed, in the event that the Gary Gensler-led SEC does not delay providing Warren with the regulatory certainty and structure on regulating the cryptocurrency industry, just as she demanded. Following the previous week's pump, XRP rose by 2.72% on Friday, while partially making a reversal of about 4% to the downside from the last day, closing the day at about 64 cents. And following a bearish start to the day, XRP's price slid to an early morning intraday low of about 60 cents before making a move up. Given that momentum, the price of XRP fell through the first significant support level of 60 cents before rising to a mid-afternoon intraday high of almost 65 cents. Depressing from the first significant resistance level at 64.7 cents, XRP further went back to its intraday lower levels of 62 cents before closing the day at 63. At the time of recording this, XRP was up by 0.1% to 63.9 cents. A range-bound start to the day saw XRP rise from an early morning low of 63.6 cents to a high of 63.9. XRP left the significant support and resistance levels, which have been earlier untested. XRP will have to avoid the 62 cents pivot level in the long run if it intends to entail the first significant resistance level at 65. The support zone from the broader cryptocurrency market would also be necessary for XRP to break through to retest the 65 cents ranks. With the first resistance level coming about, barring an extended crypto rally and the possibility of an upside any moment now. According to one legal expert, the open-source nature of XRP allows users throughout the world to use the token to pay for goods and services without any connection to or reliance on Ripple. According to Cryptwork, over 1,300 companies currently accept XRP for payment across industries from business services to tourism and travel. I've been contacted by over 19,000 XRP coin holders from around the world, many of whom receive paychecks in XRP coins and use XRP-powered debit cards to shop for groceries and pay for gas. These people are not in common enterprise with Ripple, despite the SEC's claims. Following a blog post by cryptolaw.us, the U.S. legal and regulatory news platform for digital asset holders hosted and founded by John E. Deaton, the SEC's baseless utility argument lacks utility. The SEC, which has fallen short in its sworn oath to protect investors, maintain fair, orderly, and efficient markets, and facilitate capital formation. Instead, the U.S. financial watchdog has built a reputation of conducting and marrying baseless and questionable investigations, as well as an unethical litigation tactic. A brief reminder, the common law Howey test for determining whether an asset is a security for U.S. law, hence regarded as subject to securities regulation, only suffices when the asset is an investment, contract, or scheme, or the investment of money into a common enterprise with the expectation of profits arising from the efforts of a promoter or third party. And if we take the time to go through that piece, we find out that the Commission's highly unprofessional modus operandi has left not just the crypto community, but the entire software development community gasping for air. And considering the financial regulators' involvement in many high-profile cases, just like those with Kik and Telegram, the Commission has not been serving the community's interest, as seen in its lack of clarity, which has cost investors within the U.S. community more than they could have ever bargained for. As stated in the Kik white paper, in order to finance the KIN roadmap, Kik will conduct a token distribution event that will offer for sale 1 trillion units out of a 10 trillion unit total supply of KIN. The proceeds of the token distribution event will be used to fund operations and deploy the KIN Foundation. A portion of the funds raised in the token distribution event will be used to execute upon the roadmap of additional feature development planned for the KIN integration into Kik. And this has become evident following the narratives of the various people who had at one point or another become victims of the SEC's unconventional use of regulation by enforcement. As is the case with billionaire investor, owner of the Dallas Mavericks and star of Shark Tank, Mark Cuban. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. If you have any questions or comments, let us know, and don't forget to join our free Discord group and support us on Patreon. Links for both are in the video description. Be sure to check out some of our previous videos as well. We'll see you next time.